Sometimes I know it feels like you ain't gonna make it, but you gotta keep pushing so you really can make it. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I was trying to show y'all the sausage that I use, but yeah, it's called Bar M something, but it's the spicy. I use spicy and I use 2 mild sausages. It's my little leftover rice I had. I'm using leftover rice and I'm using the box rice. Cause you know your girl don't waste no food. Yeah, I don't waste food. So I'm just putting oil in the skillet right here and I'm just gonna toss my sausages in and y'all can watch the rest. All right. Okay, you know I like it spicy. Okay, so y'all know this is my little holy trinity. That's what we call it. It's just onions, bell pepper, celery, and whatever you want to put in there. I got green onion in mine too, so yeah. Green onion, white onion, bell pepper, celery. All the bell peppers. Okay, whatever y'all do, don't take that oil out that pan. Yeah, leave that sausage grease right in that skillet. Because it's going to give you all your flavor you need in your jambalaya. Leave it there. Okay, right here, I forgot to tell y'all. I use 2 cups of water and 1/2 a cup of water. So that's what you see me putting in right now. And if you don't want to use water, you can always use chicken broth. But I just find it not needed. So yeah, I just use water. Okay, also just add your sausage when you get done putting your liquids in and cover it for 25 minutes on low. Let it simmer. Okay, right here I'm just adding my little Tony's Creole seasoning and I'm adding a little accent and that's all I add. I add a little extra seasoning in here because I'm putting some extra rice in it. That's the only reason. If I didn't add the extra rice, I wouldn't even put no more seasoning in it because it's already seasoned pretty good. I might have put a little Creoles in it, but yeah, that's it. Okay, so here I'm just adding 1 cup of water, and I let the jambalaya get halfway done, and then I added 1 cup of water and added my rice to the top of that water. That's why I added the extra seasoning. So that is why you saw me add the extra seasoning. Okay. And here I also added some paprika off camera just to get the color back. because I lost a little color when I added the rice. So I like my red looking color, and it just makes it look pretty. All done. It's all done. Alrighty, y'all, that is it. It is all done. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope you share this video. I hope you cook this meal like I cooked mine, because it is bomb busting. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what you waiting on? What you waiting on? You know you love your girl. You know you want more. Thank y'all. Peace.